replacing my old mic because it is a lightning connection. This one is USB-C, and I already upgraded my phone to have USB-C. So let's see. Oops. Got the clip. Charging cable. Another clip. So now this is USB-C. And the two mics. Let's charge this and test it. So I'm charging this and it shows red when it's charging. I would assume this will turn into green. Let's wait for a few minutes, or I don't know, hours. So the orange light is not there anymore. So when it's fully charged, there's no green light, as I've said before. There's no light at all. So I'm also using this, and I have this cable from my old phone, dual. Let's put this now. It still has the plastic, that's okay. So I'm using a mirror so that you'll see, because I don't have a video. Another phone. Okay. Now I plugged it and it fits perfectly. Actually the sound came off, but now I'm back because I'm using another recording. And you can see there is a switch to turn it on. So now let's turn it on. And there is that green light. Okay, now it's connected. Found the clip. There's a slot here. And or maybe I can do it sideways. You can put it vertical or sideways, doesn't matter. Now I'm putting the clip. Let's see if the reception of the sound is still good. Okay. This is, can't remember the feet, 10 feet or 20. Can you still hear me clearly? Here. And then we'll go outside to test it with the wind. Now I'm outside about 10 feet. And let's just keep on moving farther. So this is probably 20 feet. And I'm testing. It's a cold day. It's around 40 something, 45 degrees. Now I'm at the garden that I'm doing, finishing up. I hope you can still hear me, even this detail. And I'm about, this is probably 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 feet. Can you still hear? Ooh, I broke it. I broke it. Anyway, my wife will get mad at me. Here. Okay. Let's just walk around with a slight wind. And I'm gonna just whisper to see if you're still capturing the detail of my voice. Oh, there's some wind. Last time I tested the old one, it fell. So this is my old one. It's still good, and I like the wind. I can use this actually. This has the lightning connection, but doesn't work with iPhone 15 and plus because it's using USB-C. So I'm changing it to this with the USB-C. My old one has a double charger in one USB. I'm using it for the new one. Here's my new one. The new one actually comes with a single cable, but as you can see, it works with the double. So here's the new one. Let's compare the difference, the size. Okay. It's the same. This is a little bit bigger. The only thing I like about this one is it doesn't the turning on is subtle. It doesn't have. Sometimes I do accidentally with this one. When I hold this, it's kind of protruding. See this one? And yeah, you can feel it. But this one is kind of flushed. You don't feel it. That's the only thing I like about this. And of course the wind protection, the muffler. That's about it. You can remove the plastic. Okay, that's it folks.